Hello viewers, welcome to the domestic news update on Top Accurate News. First, the headlines. Allegations and discontent in Adamawa North. For the robbery operation in Anambra. Bonny light price surge. Details coming up shortly. In politics, allegations and discontent in Adamawa North. In a recent turn of events, Senator Elisha Abo alleged a conspiracy against him after the Court of Appeal nullified his senatorial election, accusing Senate President Godswill Akpabio of orchestrating its removal. Abo claims that Akpabio has plans to target other senators who did not back his bid for the Senate presidency. Despite the setback, Senator Abo urges the supporters to remain calm and describes the court's decisions as a coup against democracy. He insists that he won the election, defeating the PDP candidate with a margin of 11,000 votes. Concerning security, foiled robbery operation in Anambra. In a recent development, the Anambra State Police Command successfully foiled a planned robbery operation along the Ebenebe-Akchala Road. Rapid Response Squad operatives, while on an anti-kidnapping patrol, received a tip-off from a vigilant citizen who spotted armed suspect on a motorcycle. The operatives promptly pursued the suspect, engaging them in a shootout at their intended robbery location. Overwhelming the suspects, the police force forced them to abandon their weapons and flee into the nearby bush. This timely action averted a potential criminal act and ensured the safety of motorists and residents in the area. On business matters, Bonny light price surge. In a notable development, the price of Bonny light crude oil has surged to $92.24 per barrel, showcasing its strength in the global market. This surge comes in the backdrop of a slight drop in the prices of other leading crude oil grades like Brent and WTI. Despite previous dips below $85 per barrel, recent efforts surge as oil cuts by Saudi Arabia and Russia have contributed to this price upswing. Analysts suggest that oil prices could further escalate if the Israeli-Hamas conflict intensifies. For Nigeria, this surge means an excess of $17.24 per barrel compared to the budgeted $75 per barrel for 2023. You are watching the news on Top Accurate News. To stay with us. Still to come. Thanks for staying with us. Moving into health concerns, vaccination surge in efforts against COVID-19. In recent weeks, there has been a significant surge in COVID-19 vaccinations as part of ongoing efforts to combat the pandemic. Healthcare authorities and medical professionals are encouraging citizens to get vaccinated to achieve widespread immunity and help curb the spread of this virus. Vaccination centers have been set up across various regions, making it more accessible for the population to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. This upturn in vaccinations reflects a collective determination to protect public health and move towards a safer, healthier society. Away from that, on infrastructure, Lagos-Ibadan Expressway to be delayed. The federal government has announced a delay in the completion of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway project, shifting the delivery date to November. Minister of Works David Umahi identified funding as a major challenge facing the project and mentioned plans to approach President Bola Tinubu for intervention. He stressed the importance of concrete roads, citing their longer lifespan and reduced pressure on the naira, contrary to bitumen-based roads. The project's funding will come from the Presidential Infrastructure Development Fund (PIDF) program, with a remaining balance of 18 billion naira. Umahi reiterated the government's commitment to delivering the project, highlighting the need for sustainable construction strategies. In sports, fans caution Super Eagles against opposition. Football fans in Abuja are warning the Super Eagles not to underestimate their opponent in the upcoming African Cup of Nations qualifying matches. The draw has placed the Eagles in Group A with host Côte d'Ivoire, Guinea-Bissau and Equatorial Guinea. Fans acknowledge the seeming manageability of the group but caution that appearances can be deceptive. They emphasize the need for the Nigerian team to display commitment, resilience, and effective teamwork to secure their qualification. While confidence in the Eagles' abilities remains, fans stress the importance of staying vigilant and giving their best in the tournament. That concludes our domestic news update for today. Stay tuned for more national news and developments. Thanks for joining us. I am Jonathan Powe. Connect and engage with us on all our social media handles. Do have a wonderful day.